Siri is Apple's built-in voice assistant on iPhone and iPad. It helps you send messages, make calls, play music, and more just by using your voice. If you're not sure where Siri is or how to use it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Siri and use it easily. Part 1. How to enable or disable Siri on iPhone. Click on Settings on your iPhone or iPad. After entering the settings, you will see some categories. Just find out Siri and tap on it. Slip the slider next to Siri to turn it on. Part 2. How to use Siri on iPhone, iPad. Method 1. Use the button. Press and hold the side button. Speak your command when Siri appears. Method 2. Use voice. Go to Settings Siri and search. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri. Say, Hey Siri, and give your command. Part 3. How to edit Siri Command on iPhone or iPad. Activate Siri with the side button or Hey Siri. Tap your command text at the bottom. Edit the request and tap Done. Part 4. How to set a passcode for Siri. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode and enter your device passcode. Scroll down to the Allow Access when locked section. Turn Siri on or off, depending on your preference.